You've bought your tickets and done all your packing for a well-deserved vacation. You're ready for everything except that one question you dread being asked at the car rental counter. Would you like to buy the collision damage waiver? If you buy the collision damage waiver, also called a loss damage waiver, the rental company won't hold you responsible for any damage the car sustains while you're renting it. That can be a tough choice, because a collision damage waiver sounds an awful lot like the car insurance you already have. Plus, you have probably heard that you get added protection from your credit card. What's the right thing to do? It doesn't have to be a difficult decision if you take things step by step. First, all major credit cards provide some level of rental car coverage for free. So if you're paying with a credit card, you can decline the damage waiver. This coverage has limitations, such as if you're renting for a long time, so check with your bank to understand what's included. Next, if you have collision and comprehensive coverage on your own car, that insurance will extend to cars you rent, so you can decline the damage waiver. But check with your insurance company to understand if there are any limits. Make sure you know what your deductible is on your collision and comprehensive policies. If you damage the rental car, you'll owe your full deductible before insurance kicks in. Buying the damage waiver will mean you won't pay anything to fix the car. Finally, if you don't have coverage from a credit card or your own car insurance policy, you need to sign up for the collision damage waiver. See, that wasn't so hard, was it? Now you don't need to fear the car rental counter anymore. For more information or to join the conversation on this topic, visit WalletHub's Collision Damage Waiver page.